Rahmanir Rahim. By what name was the Prophet ﷺ known in his society? Al-Sadiq, the truthful, and Al-Amin, the trustworthy. Al-Sabir, the patient, and Al-Saleh, the righteous. Al-Amin, the knowledgeable, and Al-Qawi, the strong. Al-Sadiq, the truthful, and Al-Amin, the trustworthy. Did the Prophet ﷺ receive any formal education? Yes, he ﷺ received formal education from society. No, he did not receive any formal education, rather Allah taught him. Yes, he ﷺ received partial formal education. No, he ﷺ did not receive any formal education, rather Allah taught him. How was the Prophet ﷺ's manner of speaking? He ﷺ spoke clearly. He ﷺ neither spoke too briefly, nor did he ﷺ engage in idle talk. Both. Both. What was the Prophet ﷺ's complexion like? Wheatish, white with yellowish tint, fair with a rosy hue. Fair with a rosy hue. What was the Prophet ﷺ stature like? He ﷺ was the tallest. He ﷺ's height was a bit shorter, neither tall nor short, but of medium height. Neither tall nor short, but of medium height. How did Prophet ﷺ laugh? He ﷺ did not laugh. He ﷺ laughed loudly. When he ﷺ laughed, he only smiled. When he ﷺ laughed, he only smiled. When Prophet ﷺ was angry, he ﷺ used to scold. He ﷺ would become silent. He ﷺ would turn away his face. He ﷺ would turn away his face. When Prophet ﷺ was happy, he ﷺ lowered his gaze, laughed heartedly, only smiled. What was the Prophet ﷺ's beard like? A light beard, a beard with very few hairs, a thick beard. A thick beard. To what was the beauty of Prophet ﷺ's face being compared? Brighter than the full moon, the light of the sun, a shining star. Brighter than the full moon. How was the Prophet ﷺ's blessed skin described? softer than silk, like that of ordinary people, soft like flowers, softer than silk. What were the Prophet ﷺ's eyes like? Very beautiful, wide and black, slightly brown and small, blue and medium-sized. Very beautiful, wide and black. What was the color of the Prophet ﷺ's hair? Golden, black, brown. Black. What was the Prophet ﷺ's shoulders like? Very broad, thin and long, of medium width. Very broad. What fragrance emanated from the Prophet ﷺ's body? A normal body scent, no scent, more fragrant than musk and amber. More fragrant than musk and amber.